Hello guys, welcome back to Patience Cooking. Today we are making a very easy potato recipe. If you like potatoes, right, you will love this recipe because I love potatoes and I always like to try different ways of making it, and this is really delicious and fluffy. Today I'm going to be using potatoes, eggs, and some onions. You can just peel the potatoes like in the video. After peeling the potatoes, we are going to be chopping them together in smaller pieces. Just finished chopping the potatoes, and I'm going to use like a 1 full onion for this recipe. So I'm going to chop the onions and also 2 green onions as well. So let's do it. You can either use a fry pan. In this situation I'm using a fry pan, but you can use a fry pan or a pot. Put some oil in it, let it hot, then pour the chopped potatoes in it and let it fry till it is golden brown. As you can see, it's golden brown. So just take it out and try to drain it with a nap. In an empty pot, pour some oil. I'm going to be using garlic flavor because garlic really gives this flavor that is delicious. Then I'll pour in the onions and make sure I fry it very well. Now I think it's ready, so I'm gonna be taking it out. Then in a bowl, I'll use 4 eggs, but I first put 3 and then later on I thought of it and I felt like it was not enough, so I added it. So the spice I'm using, I use a bit of Knorr spice and a bit of pepper because I love chili. So I added a bit of salt depending on how much intake of salt you can take. So I mixed together until it was even. Then I added the fried onions and the garlic into it. Then later on we are going to add our fried potatoes and mix together. In the fry pan, I'm going to be using butter. So use maybe a big pan that is both open, under and up. So I'll first of all place some mixed potatoes with egg. Then I put some cheese. You can use any cheese of your choice. Then put the potatoes on top of it and cover it and let it cook low heat for about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, please open the pot and flip it over and let it cook again for about 5 minutes. But before then, I love to put some cheese on top of it, and then cover it and let it cook for about 5 minutes. And the recipe is ready, guys. Thank you very much for watching, and I really appreciate. Try this recipe at home and tell me how it turned out, and I'm sure you will love it when you try it. So now I'm going to be serving it and enjoy the meal. So delicious and if you love this recipe, please click the notification bell while you have subscribed to this channel, so that when we upload our next video, you'll be the first to be notified.